Pilot holes, the key to precision in DIY projects. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase often used in carpentry and DIY projects. Use a pilot hole. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also how it's used in everyday language. So, let's dive in. Pilot hole might sound technical, but it's quite simple. A pilot hole is a small hole drilled as a guide for the insertion of a nail, screw, or other objects into materials like wood or wall. This preliminary hole is crucial for accuracy and preventing damage. It's like a roadmap for where the screw will go. You might wonder, why bother with a pilot hole? Well, it's all about precision and safety. Drilling a pilot hole. 1. Prevents wood from splitting. Without a pilot hole, wood can crack. 2. Ensures accuracy. It guides the screw to enter at the exact spot and angle you want. 3. Makes driving the screw easier, especially in hard materials. 4. Keeps your project looking neat and professional. Interestingly, the concept of a pilot hole has found its way into everyday language. When someone says, "Let's start with a pilot hole," it means beginning with a small step to guide a larger action. For example, a company might introduce a new product in a small area as a pilot, before launching it worldwide. Here's how you can make a pilot hole. 1. Choose the right drill bit. It should be smaller than the screw's diameter. 2. Mark the spot. Use a pencil to mark where you want the hole. 3. Drill carefully. Keep the drill straight and apply steady pressure. 4. Check the depth. Make sure the hole is deep enough for the screw. That's all about pilot holes. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase and its practical application. Whether you're into DIY projects or just curious about English phrases, remembering to start with a pilot hole can be great advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.